Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm pretty much going to be going over t-shirt mock-ups and how to create your own. So first thing I did is I went to Google. Remember, you can find any and everything that you need on Google. Everything is available to you. So the first thing I did was typed in a blank t-shirt mock-up. And as you can see, guess what? They already got examples right here that you can use. You really don't even need to create your own. They got it right here that you can, just save and shoot, start using. But I'm going to go ahead and create my own. So, yeah, you go to blank t-shirts and just leave it like that if you want, instead of putting in mock-up. And as you can see, now you have, individuals in just a blank t-shirt, which you can also download these and use these as well. I'm going to be doing a Louis Vuitton inspired one just to, kind of go over. So I kind of already have my images right here just so the video wouldn't drag on. But first off, yes, you don't need a background. You could leave it white, I guess, but I want a background. So I'm going to go ahead and even up my background picture that I got. Okay, so bam. Then I downloaded my t-shirt right here. I got a blank t-shirt. I'm going to go ahead and expand this, make this bigger. A little bit bigger. Okay, that looks about good. I'm going to go ahead and even it with the page. Bam, you see that red line popped up? That means it is centered. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave it like it is. Lower it a little bit. Okay, bam, I got it. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my logo, not logo, but the logo on here as it would appear if I were to create it and make the t-shirt itself. Okay, so this is what it would look like if I were creating a t-shirt. And then just to have something in the background to help kind of go with your design or your theme, you could just, hey, throw this up in there. And there you go. You have a, nope, let's bring this to the front. Bring forward. You have a Louis Vuitton inspired mock-up. And you can do this with pretty much anything. Let's hurry up and try to do, let me see, Chanel. Let's see if I can find something that is Chanel, I guess. Okay, I see the perfume. I might just go ahead and use the perfume since like no article of. Okay, yeah, I'll use the perfume. Okay. Alright, and this is a PNG image. Remember, that way it is the image that does not have the background. Okay, so really quickly, let's go back. I'm just going to go ahead and take that off. Take that out. Insert pictures. Where is it? Okay, it's right here. Let's bring this bottle down right here. Alright, let's insert pictures. Let's go to the logo. Where's the logo? Oh, right here. In my face. Okay. Okay, we definitely need to shrink that down. And I'm going to change the color of this also. Yeah, I'm going to make this pink. Alright, so we're going to go to recolor, more variations, more colors. Yes, let's see what that look like. Alright, Chanel. There we go. And let's see if we can try to find a different background. What would I look for? Pink tile. background, something. I don't know. Okay. Let's just go with it, I guess. Which one? Which one? I don't really want to look like I'm in the bathroom. Maybe Ty wasn't the best option. Alright, let's see. Or maybe we could do like a store, like a storefront, you know? Kinda like this one, maybe. You guys can get creative with this. Okay, let me just go with something simple. No, not white. Gray wood. Yeah, okay. Bam. I now have my background. I'm just going to go ahead and use this as my background. So I'm going to switch this out. Change picture, change picture. Come on. Alright. Now, bam. And there you have it. Totally different picture. It looks totally different. And that is how simple and easy it is to do t-shirt mock-ups. You can do this with anything. You know, just look for a realistic version of it, and you are pretty much good to go. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And as always, I will see you guys soon. Bye.